Let's pose. So Chinese has tongue twisters as well now.
Yes.
Like, she sells seashells by the seashore. And it gets very difficult in Chinese, yeah?
Yeah.
So, what's one tongue twister?
It's actually really difficult because it has 10 and 4.
Oh, wait, so 10, 10, and then 4.
4.
Oh, they sound very similar.
Yeah, very similar. Okay, let's do this. 4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40。啊，
是。
是。
And then I'm just saying yes. You're not supposed to necessarily understand that, or maybe supposed to understand it, but less supposed to be able to actually say it. It is quite difficult. So you said 4?
4 is 4， 4是4， 10 is 10， 10是10 and 14 is 14， 14是14， 40 is 40， 40是40。
Oh, excellent. Your Chinese is excellent. Look at that.
I know, I'm the best.
I'm the...
我先走了。
那走。
啊，我先走了。
走
啊。我们有好多场景，我就走了。